Namaste students, myself Vishnu Samotia, Faculty of Education and Methodology, Jayoti Vidyapeeth, Women's University Jaipur. Practical session, column and chromatography and separation and purification of cholesterol. Students, what is chromatography? Chromatography is a techniques employed by the separation of components of a mixer by continuous distributions of components between two phases. That is, the one phase is mobile and our other phase is the stationary. It is the continuous manner. When a chromatography is carried out, it is called Coleman chromatography, and it is otherwise is known as a gravity chromatography. Students, types of Coleman chromatography. Coleman chromatography are four types: adsorption chromatography, parentation chromatography, ion exchange chromatography, and jet chromatography. Okay, students. So, chromatography use terminology are stationary phase. It is also called as a adsorbent, and it is a solid phase. Students, stationary phase are solid phase, and mobile phase it is also known as a solvents, and it is a liquid phase. Students, mobile phase are liquid phase, and samples it is also known adsorbent, which is a get adsorbs, and elutions are process of removing the component for the columns. So eluate are the separated components. Okay, friends. So diagram it explains in Coleman chromatography are solvent and mixer of the components A, B, C, and absorbents, stationary phase, and a glass wool and flux. First, second, third are first are the solvents and a mixer of A and A plus B, and third are B plus C. And third component are C, the separate solvent, and A are the separate solvent, plus B plus C are the separate solvent. Okay, students. So then packing of this Coleman. Coleman are packing are given below in these diagrams in a capillary tube. In a elements is separated to the component and alumina and stands and cotton, glass, wool, and stop cup flow up to downs. Diagrams are given below in a packing of the Coleman. The Coleman chromatography is the stopics and cotton to the parent of the silica gels in the presence, and Coleman is a silica gels and sent to the product silica gel surface and solvent levels and solvent pulps and ground glass joints. So the Coleman chromatography is the separation methods which is the dependent of the quality of the substance. So sends cottons and packings, send solvents and sample to the fractionated is given diagrams. So the diagrams feature 1.2 is to the packings of the Coleman chromatography for the types of the chromatography is the Coleman's are so ones. Students, separations of cholesterols. Separation of the cholesterols for cholesterols. Cholesterol react with cholesterol convert to cholesterols are the stationary phase of the copper and oxides, and mobile phase are the liquid phase is a light petroleums, and temperature is conditions of 300 to 314 degrees Celsius. Okay, students. So explain diagrams are given below in slides. Cholesterol convert to cholesterol. Separation in Coleman chromatography. Students, next separation of E-isomer for the Z-azobenzenes. E-isomers EAB convert to is a reversible product, and higher temperatures and thermal conditions are convert to ZB. So E convert to Z. Okay, so the stationary phase of the activated silica and mobile phase is the light petroleum. Okay, so students, conclusions of the Coleman chromatography is a conversial tools for the separation of the phytomaterials, removal of the impurities and purification of drugs, and effective separation of constituents for different sources in preparative scales milligrams to the grams. So that can be achieved by the Coleman chromatography, and availability of the wide range of the stationary phase make to the techniques to the use for the different kinds of the mechanism. So it tends to the understanding to the basic principle of the Coleman chromatography and enables us to find solution for current research problems. Okay students, thank you.